Hi guys, I am back with a deep conditioner review. This one right here. Texture ID, and it's a deep treatment mask. It says it has sweet almond oil, wheat protein, and honey. And then it also says restores strength and hydration. So I was just in the store the other day and I was hearing a lot about the styling cream from Texture ID. And then when I saw that the Texture ID was buy one get one half, I got the mask too. So I thought I'd try it, and I love to try anything with honey because it usually works really good on my hair, and the almond usually works really good. So yeah, so I picked this up with that. And on the back of it, it says repair dry frizzy curls with this formula designed to improve porosity and manageability. Honey and sweet almond oil help retain the moisture that curly hair needs to flourish. Wheat protein replenishes hair elasticity to reduce breakage. The results are hydrated, soft, and defined curls. So yeah. And then I'm sorry y'all, I just ate some Skittles, so my mouth is kind of like juicy right now. Sorry about my smacking. But it says apply a liberal amount to wet hair, paying extra attention to ends. Leave in 7 to 10 minutes. Can be used with a hooded dryer or steamer. Plastic cap optional. Rinse well. So those are the directions. And open it up. It is almost pure white. If you can see that. The sun is kind of in a... Okay, well, I'll show it to you later. And it's a little thinner than I thought it was. It's not like super thin because as you see, it's not moving. But it's thinner than I thought it was. But it's all cool. Whatever. And already, as you all know, I don't know if you know or not. I probably said it in my last videos, but I always heat my deep conditioner up like this. So this is hot water in this container, and the conditioner is in the small container. And I just put it in there and heat it up. But yeah, that's how I apply all my conditioners, because I don't have a hooded dryer, so I just use it that way. But yeah, so let's get started. I already sectioned off my hair, and it is kind of dry, so I gotta re-wet it because I got out of the shower like an hour and a half ago. So I'm just gonna re-wet it with my warm water right here. This water is warm as well. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by kind of detangling a little bit because it is kind of really tangled. Because to shampoo, I use that Shea Moisture Baby Argan Oil one, the wash and shampoo, and that stuff like dries your hair out so bad. I think I'm just gonna trash it because I've been trying to make it work for some time now, and it's not. So I don't want it. So my hair is like really dry right now and tangled because that stuff, oh my gosh, it's horrible. I don't understand how it's a baby product. Like, it's just so drying. I had bought it for my daughter a while back, and I couldn't use it on her hair because I washed her hair with it one time, and the lather is too much lather. I had to go back 3 times because we washed it in the sink that day. I had to go back 3 times to rinse it out, and of course she was mad because she's only 2. At that time, I think she had just turned 2. So she was getting mad with me, and I was mad because I'm like, how does this stuff keep popping up? It's like so much lather, and I didn't even use much. I like literal dime size amount I use, and it's still acting like that. And not like a natural hair dime size, like literal dime size amount. But yeah, see, my hair is like really tangled right now. Okay, put a little bit more towards the ends, break it up. Okay, a little better now. I feel a lot of hair coming out, probably because it was so dry, and my hair was in the wash and go for a week. It was like 8 days So my hair was really tangled. That's how it was looking. It actually really defined the curls really good. Let me see if I can detangle it a little bit more. And then a little bit more conditioner. Then I'll twist it up. Yeah, it's really good. And it's elongated and separated my curls. Like, that's really good. Because usually my hair is not this elongated. But yeah. Let's put it up. That's how it's looking. Feels really nice too. Yeah, my hands are like, see, I have a lot of shed hair coming out. Let me get this towel. I don't know, did I read the ingredients? I don't think I read the ingredients. The first couple ingredients in this is water, glycerin, Cetyl Alcohol. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm really bad at these names. Some other long name, but in parentheses it says Safflower seed oil. And then another long name, but the real name is the sweet almond oil. And a lot of other stuff I cannot pronounce. But yeah, the first one is water, glycerin, alcohol, cedar alcohol with safflower oil, and sweet almond oil. So it's not too bad. Okay. I don't understand how people be getting their twists to stay. My twists don't never stay. That's why I never twist it up when I'm doing the conditioner, because it comes right loose. Like, I don't understand how everybody else do it. But anyway, I'll come back when I'm just about done to let y'all know my thoughts on it before I rinse it out. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I am really excited about this product. Like, first of all, my hair feels so soft. I have like good curl definition in the back area. I mean the front too, but the back is a little more easily defined than the front. But I have good curl definition and my hair actually feels like really moisturized. And my curls are a little elongated, so I'm like, I gotta figure out what's in this that's elongating my curls, because I need to figure out what it is and use it more often. Because I really, 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 really like this. Like, it easily may become one of my favorites because it's really that good. And I kept it on, it's been on my hair for about like 4 hours, I think. So a good amount of time, but not too much time, and it's still like that awesome. Like, it's up there with the Allicate Naturals one, which is my fave of all time right now. But this is right up there with it, because yes, this is so good. I love it. But yeah, it's the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. Yeah, those are kind of my final thoughts about it. And let me turn around so you can see a little bit definition in the back areas. Like this is so good. Look at this. It's just from a deep conditioner. There's no product in my hair at all right now. If the styling cream does this, like the deep conditioner do, like, it's gonna easily be one of my holy grail combos right here. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.